From the railway sidings in Cerbere. This one is called Howling. Full moon's riding on the side of the road. We roll down, we're waiting still, and we're howling, howling. Rises round and red, goes to sleep when everybody's in bed, and do some howling, howling. That's the way it goes, but that's the way it goes. There's a donkey, where can it be? Is it in agony or ecstasy? Well, it's a howling, howling. Donkey has a real hard life, full of hard work, trouble and strife, and he's a howling, howling. But that's the way it goes, that's the way it goes. There's a baby in the next room, burst his lungs if you don't go soon. She's a howling, howling. Didn't want to be born at all, that's why she's screaming through the wall. She's a howling, howling. That's the way it goes, that's the way it goes. There's been an accident out on the road, somebody ignored the highway code, and he's a howling, howling. His wife's dead and his children too. What's a poor boy gonna do? Some howling, howling. But that's the way it goes, that's the way it goes. There's your lover walking out the door, never gonna come back no more, and you're a howling, howling. 10 young years, day after day, now love's died, love's gone away, and you're a howling, howling. But that's the way it goes, that's the way it goes, that's the way it goes. Howling.
Présentation.